Make snoring go away with these easy steps. Nobody likes to have their sleep disrupted. However, it can be overlooked and tolerated if it is a fussy baby or a young child who needs your attention. If the cause is constant snoring from your bedmate, however, then something needs to be done. Take a look at these tips for dealing with snoring. Try changing your sleeping position to cease snoring. Many people sleep on their backs since gravity forces their heads down, which closes the throat. Sleeping on your side allows you to position your head and neck more comfortably, resulting in clearer breathing and less snoring. While it may take a little time, losing any excess weight can be extremely beneficial to snorers. Being overweight puts extra pressure on many places in your body, including the throat, which can lead to snoring. Since your neck is one of the first places you lose weight from, even just a few pounds can help calm snoring down. In order to cut back on snoring, turn over and sleep on your side, not on your back. If you sleep on your back, especially with only 1 or 2 pillows, mucus can gather in your nasal passages. Sleeping on your side will keep the mucus out of the passages, and you won't have a blockage that will cause snoring. Don't eat dairy products before bed. Dairy products can be a major contributor to your snoring problem. While they may be fine to consume during the day, consuming milk, yogurts, and even ice cream before you go to bed can cause a buildup of mucus. Mucus clogs your air passages and you snore as a result. If the room you sleep in is too dry, it would be wise to purchase a humidifier. When the air is too dry, congestion can occur in your throat and nose, and can even make them swell. The congestion and swelling make it harder to breathe and causes you to snore. A humidifier can eliminate this problem. You may want to look into magnetic therapy in order to end snoring. With this method, a plastic ring with 2 magnetic ends attached to your nose when you go to sleep. The ring helps to stimulate the sensors that open the nasal passages, thus, preventing a person from snoring. There is no need to endure night after night of loud snoring from your sleep partner. As you can see from this video, there are lots of things you both can do to tackle this problem. Share these suggestions with your loved one who snores to ensure that you both can sleep soundly every night. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.